Namaste, my name is Prashant Patel. Today I would like to introduce a lot of people student asking that where do I start with the singing bowl? Which bowl I should purchase? So if you are a very new, you don't want to make any bigger investment because you are learning also. So the simple bowl to start, I call it a beginner bowl. So this is a very small bowl. Okay. So there are some smaller than this also, but this is a very good starter. If you are just starting your journey for singing bowl, this is a very good bowl to start with. You can do many things with this. Of course, this is not a moon bowl. So these are the moon bowls specifically for healing and all. This is a standard singing bowl. So, but it will give you a lot of learning, understanding, and once you getting familiar with it, master it, then you can purchase the moon bowl because moon bowl are bit expensive compared to the standard singing bowl. Okay, so generally the beginner bowl comes with the 6 inch or sometimes little bit 6.25, 6.50 also sometimes, or 5.80 around that size. So it's not that standardized size due to this smallerness, but sound is amazing. These are all handmade bowl, so that's why you will see the unevenness, and the sound is very simple and unique and very smoothing. So it comes with the one thin striker with the cushion. So let you hear the sound. I will play two different style. First I will just strike it and you try to hear the sound. You can do rimming also. This is a male sound. You can add female. So two sound is coming out. So this is a very good starter singing bowl. So it's a very lightweight. You can carry also, and if you after this you feel like you want to purchase one more singing bowl, then you can go for the medium master healing bowl. So at least this two set also it will go one another, and it is easy to travel. If you do not want to purchase any sets for a moment, then you can go for this too. So, and this can serve a lot of personal healing, your sessions you can use it, private sessions you can use it, sound massage you can use it, even sound bath also you can use it for few maybe 5 to 10 kind of class in a smaller room. So try and experience and explore more about this. If you have any interest to learn more about singing bowl or courses or advanced healing techniques, feel free to contact. Thank you very much.